You don't need a big decorating budget to make your home feel warm and cozy this fall. In 2026, Dollar Tree fall decor is more popular than ever, with creative DIY projects that transform inexpensive supplies into stylish, high-end autumn decorations for every room in your home. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now let's get started. What Dollar Tree items should I buy for fall DIY projects? Mini pumpkins, faux leaves, wooden signs, glass jars, lanterns, baskets, floral stems, candles, wreath forms, acorns, pine cones, and burlap ribbon are some of the best supplies. These versatile items can be mixed and matched to create decorations for every room in your home. Save this shopping list for your next Dollar Tree trip. What fall color trends are popular in 2026? Warm terracotta, burnt orange, cream, olive green, mustard yellow, caramel, deep burgundy, soft brown, and matte black accents continue to dominate fall decorating. These earthy colors create a timeless look that feels cozy from September through Thanksgiving. Which fall color palette is your favorite? How can I make Dollar Tree decorations look expensive? Use matte spray paint, natural fabrics, wooden accents, and coordinated color palettes. Replacing shiny finishes with soft, neutral tones and layering different textures instantly gives inexpensive decorations a more designer-inspired appearance. Love budget decorating hacks? Share this idea. What DIY pumpkin projects are easy to make? Paint foam pumpkins in neutral colors, wrap them with twine, add velvet bows, or decorate them with faux florals and eucalyptus. Grouping pumpkins in different sizes creates beautiful displays for tables, mantels, shelves, and entryways. Which pumpkin idea would you try first? What Dollar Tree decorations work best for a fall front porch? Lanterns, stacked pumpkins, welcome signs, hay bales, faux mums, wreaths, and baskets filled with seasonal flowers instantly transform your entryway into a cozy autumn welcome for family and guests. Would you decorate your front porch for fall? How can I create a beautiful fall centerpiece? Arrange candles, mini pumpkins, pine cones, faux leaves, and dried flowers inside a wooden tray or basket. Mixing natural textures with soft candlelight creates a centerpiece that's perfect for everyday dining or holiday gatherings. Like this if you love fall centerpieces. What DIY wreath ideas can I make with Dollar Tree supplies? Use a grapevine or wire wreath form and decorate it with faux leaves, berries, burlap ribbon, pine cones, wheat stems, and mini pumpkins. Layering seasonal greenery creates a full, elegant wreath at a fraction of the cost. Would you make your own fall wreath? How can I decorate my living room using Dollar Tree finds? Decorate coffee tables with candles and pumpkins, style shelves with baskets and faux florals, and add seasonal signs or lanterns. Small decorative updates throughout the room create a cozy autumn atmosphere without overwhelming the space. Which room do you decorate first for fall? What DIY mason jar projects are trending? Paint mason jars in warm autumn colors, wrap them with twine or burlap, and fill them with dried wheat, eucalyptus, or fairy lights. These versatile decorations work beautifully as centerpieces, shelf decor, or entryway accents. Save this DIY idea for later. Can Dollar Tree decorations work with farmhouse style? Absolutely. Neutral pumpkins, distressed wood, woven baskets, cotton stems, black lanterns, and amber glass bottles fit perfectly into modern farmhouse decorating. Choosing soft colors helps inexpensive decorations blend seamlessly with your existing home decor. Farmhouse or modern, which style fits your home? What DIY signs are easy to make? Paint unfinished wooden signs with phrases like Hello Fall, Gather, Harvest, or Autumn Blessings. Add greenery, ribbon, or small pumpkins for extra detail that complements your seasonal decor. Would you make your own seasonal signs? What DIY signs are easy to make? Paint unfinished wooden signs with phrases like Hello Fall, Gather, Harvest, or Autumn Blessings. Add greenery, ribbon, or small pumpkins for extra detail that complements your seasonal decor. Would you make your own seasonal signs? What decorating mistakes should I avoid? Avoid overcrowding shelves, mixing too many color palettes, or displaying every seasonal item at once. A few carefully chosen decorations create a cleaner, more elegant look that's easier to enjoy throughout the season. Simple or full fall decor, which style do you prefer? How can I keep my fall decorations looking modern in 2026? Use natural materials, coordinated colors, matte finishes, woven textures, and layered displays instead of bright plastic decorations. Modern fall decorating focuses on warmth, simplicity, and timeless seasonal beauty. Would you decorate with this modern fall style? What makes Dollar Tree fall decorations worth trying? Dollar Tree DIY projects prove that beautiful decorating doesn't depend on a large budget. With creativity, thoughtful styling, and a few affordable supplies, you can transform your home into a warm and welcoming autumn retreat while enjoying the satisfaction of making something uniquely your own. Which Dollar Tree DIY inspired you the most? Comment below. Why are Dollar Tree fall decorations so popular in 2026? More homeowners are embracing budget-friendly decorating without sacrificing style. Dollar Tree offers affordable seasonal items that can easily be customized with paint, ribbon, greenery, and natural textures, allowing anyone to create beautiful autumn decor while staying within budget. Do you shop at Dollar Tree for fall decor? Comment below. Fall Dollar Tree decorating in 2026 is all about creating beautiful seasonal spaces with creativity instead of high costs. Whether you're decorating your front porch, living room, dining table, or entryway, a few affordable DIY projects can bring cozy autumn charm to every corner of your home. Like, comment, and follow for more 2026 fall, Thanksgiving, Dollar Tree, and DIY decorating inspiration.